Alright guys, it is 9:29. Market is about to open. As you can see on the hourly, we are on a bullish trend, coming from a kind of a fake liquidity sweep. It's not a real liquidity sweep, but we are technically on a bullish trend since Tuesday. So respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish, disrespecting it, and we are trending up. I want to see us target these draws on liquidity for the day. I do want to see us manipulate down here and then maybe draw back up. Maybe manipulate down here and then draw back up. If we manipulate here, reverse, I'll probably take it on the funded. If we manipulate here on reverse, I'll probably take it on my live account. So stay tuned for that. And if we don't retrace and we just go straight up, then I'm calling it a day. So let's see what happens. Best to not trade during 9:30 and 9:50 because those are manipulation hours. We could be going up temporarily, but we could just randomly switch target these right here, maybe target this Asia low or London low, sweep it out, inverse, bombs away. But we will see. News today. PMI. I think I might wait until 10 a.m. to take a trade. Hopefully we don't take these out off rip. I'm just trying to get to know ya, get a little closer, baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind? 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 No, you know, you know, you know. We ain't got forever and ever. You know, you know, you know, you know. Let me be the one, maybe you deserve better. You know, you know, you know, you know.
Absolutely nothing has changed. Welcome. Yep, welcome to April 1st. Absolutely nothing has changed. Welcome back to the meme coin market presented by Trump Tweets. Today the market rallied a good old 138 to the upside, followed by a 200-point dump. Well, PJ, why is that? Why did I get liquidated this morning? Why did I get stopped out? Old Donnie boy here has some words to say. Iran's new regimen president, much less radicalized and far more intelligent than his predecessors, has just asked the United States of America for a ceasefire. We will consider when the Hormuz Strait is open, free, and clear. Until then, we're blasting Iran into oblivion. The market pumps off the ceasefire news and dumps. This is today's breaking news. It's 9 a.m.
That might explain why the market is moving so slow. No, you know, you know, you know. We ain't got forever and ever. You know, you know, you know, you know.
That's crazy. Well, hey, that's why that's hoes together. It's like a broke hole coalition. It's like it's like a gang of broke hoes, my nigga. Bro, it's like a gang. Look, she wanna crash out cause she broke. She wanna crash out cause she broke. Bro, hey, they be ready to
Yo,
crash
what's good,
out
bro?
cause they ain't got no
I'm on live, by the way.
Oh, my fault.
You good?
Yeah, move the car.
All right, bet. What's good? You made some money today?
I haven't bet today.
No?
Well, last night.
Last night?
Did you? Where's your money?
Nah, I didn't because the market was crazy. So
Roll back.
yeah, today hopefully I could get a little bet in.
All right. I'm late.
Don't you gotta work? Yeah, I know you. You trying to close that door for me though?
Bro.
I'll probably take a sell into here, as a matter of fact. But you know what? It's gonna go against my trend, so let me not do that dumb shit.
Shout out to Cam, by the way, I'm gonna tag him, but founded a AI company in the pharmaceutical sales space, and he did so through venture capital, which means he essentially raised capital to start this business. And I'll actually post it next. He posted a really profound video about raising capital and what's that like as a founder and some things you should know. And it just reminded me of in the real estate space when we talk about raising capital and using OPM, other people's money. A lot of people just don't know the basic principles of doing this, even just from a character perspective. And he talked about just honesty and transparency. And like I said, I'll post it next so you guys can see. But in real estate, so many people don't enter this space like venture capital. They enter it like a get-rich-quick opportunity with guaranteed results when it's just simply not. Every time you invest into a deal, ultimately what you're doing is you're investing into a new business model. Every fix and flip or every rental property opportunity in itself is a business, right? A business that has a building, toilets, customers, aka tenants, right? Employees, contractors, right? And a whole bunch of other things that can go up or down. And when you're using other people's money, you might leverage debt in the banks, right? That's something different. But when you're using like private capital, it's really important that whoever invests with you, whoever partners with you, whether it's equity, debt, whatever, they understand this concept, that it truly is an investment, which means not guaranteed, in a business model. And you guys need to come to some really clean terms through really clean documentation, operating agreements, subscription agreements, promissory notes, all the things that go into this in order to make sure that this relationship is super clear.
All right, this morning I want to talk to all of my aspiring founders, entrepreneurs, whether you're at a big company like I was in the pharmaceutical industry and you're looking to break out on your own. You have an amazing idea. Where do you get started? How do you get started? How do you raise money? And for us, our journey from a fundraising perspective started off with my friends and family. Look, my parents were my first investors in Praxis Pro. Now, it was a very small amount of money, but it was really meaningful at that time, especially as a non-technical founder. I'm a commercial-driven founder. Again, salesperson through and through. So I had to find ways to raise money, put my own money into the business, raise money through friends and family, and be able to go out and find engineering talent that I could pay to make my dream into an actual product. So there's 3 key things that I would focus on when you're thinking about raising money, especially from friends and family. The first thing is, if you don't know the answer, tell them.
There's a fine line between preparing and overthinking. And as an entrepreneur in any business, and like especially in real estate where I deal with like dozens of people a day, I see the same problem, and it's people just putting the cart before the horse and like creating problems that don't yet exist. One of the best examples is people are so concerned in real estate when they're getting started about funding. Like, how am I going to get funded? And it's like, get what funded, you know? That's a problem that only exists for people who actually have a business, and you haven't even formed your LLC yet, right? And even if you have, it's like there's no deal to be funded. How can you have a funding conversation about a transaction that doesn't exist? And then you don't even know how to find a deal and what number to get it at, right? So as an entrepreneur, especially starting off, you gotta like develop the muscle of execution so you don't get stuck in planning. Most people be planning for like I said, something that don't exist, right? It's like having a pizza shop, you worried about where the tables and chairs should be at. You worried about what the storefront, how the line gonna be if it get too long, and you don't even know how to find customers. You know what I'm saying? Or you don't even have a storefront. That's legit the kind of conversation that I have in real estate. Is like, do you know how to find a deal? And even if I gave you a deal, do you know how to run the numbers to make sure it's not a dud or like I'm getting over on you? No. So you should probably develop that skill. Even in the pizza shop example, it's like, yo, oh shoot, I'm about to get hit by a car. It's like, yo, do you know how to make pizza? Do you know how to operate a restaurant? So all you most times need to do, and just to get back to real estate, you just gotta figure that part out. Like those early stages of like being educated and like executing like the thing that's in front of you. And it sounds crazy, but like I'm talking to like the newbie entrepreneurs. Because as a polished entrepreneur, you should be looking ahead. But when you first getting started, you don't even know the problem.
All right, almost 10 o'clock. Let's see what we do. 10 o'clock just hit. Let's see what we do. Need a retracement down here. Well, if we retrace down here, I'll probably look for some type of buy confirmation up into here. If we don't get the retracement, we just start going up. Call it. You probably won't see this video. But if we do go down, come back up, that's when you'll see me take a trade. PMI, 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 PMI. We ain't got forever and ever. You know, you know, you know, you know. Let me be the one, maybe you deserve better. No, you know, you know, you know. We ain't got forever and ever. NASDAQ, NASDAQ. We ain't got forever and ever. You going up or you going down? We ain't got forever and ever. I gotta go hit the gym. Then I got work at 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind making a move? Making moves? You ain't did shit all morning. You just been consolidating. Horrible price action. I'm about to slam my laptop on the floor. NASDAQ, NASDAQ. Are you going up or are you going down? You've been playing around this whole time. I'm about to call it quits, quits. Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? What the fuck is this, bro? Like, the market is barely moving. Are you serious? Slow ass price action. Come on now. Why are we moving so slowly? Was this the retracement right here? Maybe. At this point, I think this was the retracement. Are we inside of a 15? No. Are we inside of a 5? No. Hour? No. Like what? This is an hourly. We broke out of it. Now we're going back up. I might take that fucking inverse 1 minute. But that would be breaking my rules, so I'm not gonna do that. And I'll be forcing a trade, and that's not what we want to do. It's not what we want to do. I'm just trying to get to know ya. Get a little closer, baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind? 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 You know, you know, you know, you know. We ain't got forever and ever. You know, you know, you know, you know. Let me be the one, maybe do you mind? Do you mind if I talk to you? Do you mind if I touch you there? It doesn't matter with me, let's not waste time. I don't think we're retracing back down here, but I'm still gonna look for the retracement anyway. That'd be crazy if we just start displacing up. Trying to see if there's anything I'm missing out. Maybe there's SMT. No SMT. So I genuinely don't know what the fuck we are doing. Scroll out to the 15. Nothing. Scroll out to the hourly. Nothing. I genuinely don't know what we want to do. Genuinely.
This book right.
I'm trying to get to know ya, get a little closer, baby, post up. Oh, do you mind, do you mind? Price action, you're moving too slow, too slow, too slow. Let me see if I was to take it on the prop firm. Let's see what the outcome would be. Whoops, I'm not even. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Baby, ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? No, you know, you know, you know. We ain't got forever and ever. Let's do 5 contracts. I'm going to put my stops right here. No, I'm gonna put it right here. 24106. Oh, that's if we even inverse this. If we don't inverse it, then looks like a no-go for me. 24243. I'm just trying to get to know you. I think we might be actually going down. Could potentially go down. Swept. We're supposed to re-sweep the sweep. And this is not even a real sweep anyway. Alright, let's see what we do. Let's see what we do. Short little chop trade. You know. Oh my God. Off rip. Off rip is crazy. This is why you follow your rules, guys. Follow your rules, please. I don't know why I took this dumbass trade. But you know what? I'm up on that live account, so kind of got a little room to breathe, you know? A little bit of room to breathe. I'm just trying to get to know ya. And the reason why the price is moving so crazy is because I'm on 5 contracts. I gotta speed up this evaluation phase. I can't be sitting on this for too long. I'm just trying to get to know ya, get a little closer, baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind, baby, ooh, do you mind? No, you know. We ain't got forever and ever. You know. Let me be the one, maybe you deserve better. Testing 1, 2, 3. Are we going to go up or not? Testing 1, 2, 3. Are we going to go up or not? Are we gonna go up? Are we gonna fucking go up? Or are we just gonna sit here and chop around? What are we doing? I'm just trying to get to know ya, get a little closer. Baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind, baby? Ooh. Yeah, start going up. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. I think this was, no, this was off of Trump tweeting, and then we quickly dumped right back down. So I think the market is done playing games since we're moving so fucking slow, and we're probably just gonna start going up slowly. But this is just me testing. This is a testing day for me. No strategy day. This is just, I know I should be doing this on what is it? Demo, but it is what it is. I ain't really tripping. I'll just drag my stops early and call it a day. We're not really moving too crazy anyway, so short stop right here, take profit right there. If we already, this isn't a true sweep anyway, so the fact that we're moving so slowly means that we should either sweep this, actual sweep, or sweep this out to confirm the downtrend. So that's kind of my method in this short consolidation period. So that's what I noticed the market likes to do. It likes to either re-sweep the sweep or actually no, this is a sweep. Oh shit, I'm bugging. No, this isn't a sweep. This is the London high, and we barely swept it. Barely swept it. This is the London. No. Am I tripping? This is the London high. Sorry. This is the London high. Barely swept it. A wick up top. I don't count that as a sweep. Don't count it as a sweep. So we're either going to re-sweep this, an actual sweep, an actual candle above the high, or we're going to re-sweep the sweep, taking all the sellers out and then start tumbling lower. So that's my prediction. As you can see, it's kind of starting to work. So I'm going to drag my stops here, break even. Let's see what we do. I might actually put in a buy limit. Oh wow, we crashing down right already? Let's confirm most of this right here. Sell stop. We're gonna put that there. Or buy stop. Let's do buy stop. Is it buy stop or sell stop? Or sell limit, sorry. Well, sell limit, I'm bugging. I'm bugging. Put a sell limit right there. Confirm most of it. Then I'll drag it to break even and we'll just see what we do for the rest of the day. Actually, no, I would actually rather put it up here, maybe. Or up here. Because this is the actual London high. So I put it right there. And we're just going to see what it do, ski. No, you know. We ain't got forever and ever. Nasdaq. Let me be the one. Are we actually randomly going down? Come on now. I'm just trying to get to know ya. Get a little closer, baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind? I know I've been waiting for a long time, so. Come on now. You're doing so good. What the fuck was that? Can we push up? I think I'm just gonna take the $200, honestly. I can't do this. Oh, whoa. No. Oh. No. Let's go. There we go. I'm gonna take this out. There we go. Boom. Take profit hit. Let's go. Let's go. No, you are not coming back down. Sorry. You will not be coming back down. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. You know. Oh, let me take this out. Close position. Okay. So we made some money today. We made about $400, almost $500. There we go. That's how you fucking snipe your trades of fucking scalp entry. That's how you scalp. I'm not even a scalper, but I just scalped that entry. Follow your boy. He knows what he's talking about. He knows what he's doing. It's only a matter of time before I blow up. See y'all when I see y'all.